Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Vacuum chambers.
Number 5.
Stato 3-gallon vacuum chamber. High efficiency and low noise. Heavy-duty aluminum alloy casing. Direct drive motor allowing easy starting and maintenance free. Internal high volume cooling fan for extended use. Preventing oil returning and environment protecting.
Number 4.
A Blaze 1.5-gallon stainless steel vacuum degaussing. Notice: pump oil not included. Chamber tested before shipping. Maintain high vacuum for over 24 hours.
Allons manger. Laissez le Méditerranée.
1.5-gallon vacuum chamber kit used to degauss silicones, epoxies, essential oils, urethanes, etc. Vacuum pump voltage 110 volts, 60 HC power, 1/4 HP single stage. Maintain high vacuum for over 24 hours.
Number 3.
A Blaze 5-gallon Gale vacuum chamber. Maintain high vacuum for over 24 hours. Chamber tested before shipping. Lifetime warranty on lid seal and chamber. Perfect for applications like degaussing urethane, silicones, epoxies, stabilized wood, chamber. Size: L11 single quote XH11. Without lid.
Number 2.
A Blaze 5-gallon Gale vacuum chamber. Vacuum chamber capacity 2 gallons. Chamber max temp 159 superscripto F. Stainless steel chamber with non-slip cushion handle for long-term airtightness performance. Shatter-resistant crystal lid allows you to see inside and bulletproof. Internal high-volume cooling fan for extended use. Exhaust port with exhaust cap. Perfect for removing gases from compounds, which have become entrapped in the mixture when mixing components. Idea for degaussing urethane, silicones, epoxies, stabilized wood, extracting essential oils from organic materials, etc. Note:
Number 1.
0.8-gallon vacuum degaussing chamber. Stainless steel chamber with welded handles for long-term airtightness performance. Round edge at the top for the protection of silicone gasket. Gauge reading in both inch and ball. kits are vacuum tested for 24 hours before packaging. Leakage less than 2.0 inch at 24 hours. Two-sided flippable vacuum gasket for better durability and reliability.